To start a remote calibration, hit the asTech button. Make sure your VCI is connected. Hit yes. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the vehicle you're working on. Make sure it's highlighted. Hit New Request. Select your insurance carrier. For demonstration purposes, we're going to hit Customer Pay. Then select Calibration. Put your RO number in. Verify the odometer is correct. Are there any warning lights on the dash? Preferred method of contact: phone, text, or chat. Here's where we have a section to put notes. Anything that you need to communicate to the tech, this is where you need to put it. System to calibrate. We're calibrating the front windshield camera. Targeting system. We have an Autel in front of this vehicle, so we're going to select Autel. And submit. Within about 5 minutes, an asTech technician will connect your vehicle to an OEM tool and guide you through the steps to complete the calibration. Once you're done, all of the documentation for the calibration will be in your Connect app, sent to you via email, or through the integration, depending on how you have it set up.